Hi everyone, welcome back to Ayush channel. Today I will take you for a walk around the city of Stockholm, Sweden. I walk alone because the weather was very sunny but a bit windy. I will make some sketches, but I will give more detail later at home because today is very windy and I feel more comfortable at home. Now I am in the Middle Library of Sweden, or called Kungliga Biblioteket. This library is surrounded by a very large park. This park is called Humlegården, a former garden of the royal park in the 50th century. In the park there is a large park game for children, a skateboard ramp, the summer pop surfer's bumblebee, and omnipolus flora. In the middle of the park stands the flowers King Carl von Linne as a statue, and closest to Stureplan in Sweden's National Library, the Royal Library. I also have visited a church close to the park. It's called St. John's Church. It's located at the top of Brunkensbergshusen at the north end of Malmskillnadsgatan at Norrmalm in Stockholm. And here a funeral chapel was built in 1651 when the site was a cemetery within Jacob's Johannes parish. During the latter part of the 17th century, a stone church was discussed, but it was not until the 1770s that Gustav III was allowed to build a new classic-style church. Those are some of the places that I have visited, and I told a bit of history of the places. I hope you guys will like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my videos, and thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you in the next video. Bye.